friends, how's it going and welcome back to another video. Just a quick disclaimer, sorry for the brightness or if the audio is not that great. I've been changing around my camera settings and since I haven't recorded in a few weeks, I'm still playing with it, trying to get it back to being normal, so yeah, I'm hoping it's alright. I feel like I just look very pale, but we're going to be doing some makeup today, so hopefully that'll change that. Okay, I keep messing around with it, but I'm hoping that's okay. Today we're going to be doing a spider Halloween makeup tutorial. I think it's going to be relatively easy as well, so if you're a beginner at makeup or even like Halloween makeup, this is going to be beginner friendly, and trust me, if I can do it, you can do it as well. Okay, so to start with for base, I'm doing a primer and I'm basically just gonna rub this all over my face. My skin's been very dry lately, so this will definitely help. I don't know, I do this in all my makeup tutorials. I don't know if you like it or not, so let me know in the comments, but I'm gonna just show you the product up close and just tell you what it's called, even though my lights are super bright. It's the Revolution Hydrate and Prime Primer. But yeah, let me know if you like me doing that or if there's just no point in me doing it. I'll also try and link everything in the description box below. Okay, now we're going to be going in with foundation. There's cat hair flying everywhere. And now my kitten's on the table. So I'm using this one here. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Okay, so now we're going in with concealer. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Matte Concealer. Okay, now we're going to go in with some face powder. I'm using this one here, which is way too bright to see, but it's the Dermacolor Fixing Powder. Okay, now we're going to go in and do our brows. I'm using this here, which is the Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. Okay, and just to finish off the base, I'm going to do a little bit of blush. I'm using this one here, which is the Show Some Cheek by Australis. I'm not going to do any contouring just because I want my face to look more like sickly, if that makes sense. But we're going to go into eyeshadow now. I'm going to be using a mixture between this palette, which is by Elizabeth Arden, and then my old eyeshadow palette from when I went to makeup school. I can't remember what brand it is, but it's got a range of different colors. It's kind of dirty at the moment. So I'm just starting off with a very neutral color, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. And now I'm picking up more of a darker brown and I'm going to focus that in the crease. And then I'm taking more of a warmer brown and I'm just putting that right under my brow just to blend that out. And then just to add a bit more of a gradient, I'm taking a very dark brown and I'm just going to put that right on my natural crease. And now the scary part, we're going in with a black. I want to do a black smoky eye on both eyes. I might actually just add a little bit of brown under my eyes. So I'm just going under my eyes with that dark brown and just blending that out. Okay, now it's time for the black. So I'm going to take a pretty flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to lay the pigment down first and then blend it out. I find that you get the best coverage with that, and I also touch the brush and now I've got like black all over my fingers. So that's fun. We're gonna try this black first. Oh, I'm so scared. I hate working with black. And so it looks pretty bad at the moment, but we are going to blend it out. I just really want to get that pigment down. And I am getting a little bit of fallout, so we're going to have to clean that up. Okay, and now we're just going to blend the edges. And you basically just want to blend it enough so it's a nice gradient. And then if you lose some of the pigment on the eye, you can just go back in and just tap it on. And then we're just going back in with a smaller brush and taking the black just under our eyes. Okay, I think I'm done with my eyeshadow for now. So I'm gonna go in and attempt to line my waterline. This is the one thing with makeup I absolutely struggle with doing. So we're gonna just try it and see how it goes. I've got my black eyeliner pencil and I'm not looking forward to this. Oh, my eyes are watering. Okay, my lower waterline is lined. I'm gonna attempt to do the top ones, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. And I just smudged black all over my face. Okay, now that my eyes have pretty much settled, I think we're gonna draw the spider legs first and then add the false lashes just so I can actually see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start by marking out where I want the legs to be and then go in with a liquid liner just so that way it's easier to fix up if I make a mistake. And I'm gonna do mine on my right eye just because when I like pose for photos I always put my right side forward. Does that make sense? So you can choose whatever eye you want. I'm just, yeah, I usually pose like that, so I want it on my right eye. That was a long explanation. Okay, I am nervous for this part. Oh, okay, that's one leg. Okay, I think I've got the rough spots for the eye legs. I think I also want to do some on my mouth. Oh, it's like creeping me out because the feeling of the pencil on my face feels like a spider on me. Ugh! Okay, oh my god, I look terrifying. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our, oh my god, I was gonna say fine liner. Our eyeliner pen, liquid eyeliner. So I'm going in with this one here. This is the Maybelline New York Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. And last time I used this, it was like smudge proof. So I'm hoping that works out well. My face is getting itchy, but I can't scratch it because of the lines everywhere. Okay, already that's looking pretty cool. I've had to like draw on my hand because my pen keeps running out of like makeup ink. Am I okay? Makeup ink? It's running out of eyeliner stuff. I need to kind of like thicken them up a little bit. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be a mistake, but I feel like they're still not thick enough. So I'm going to try and go in with some black lipstick and a brush. And we're just going to see how that goes. Okay, the black lipstick worked so much better, so I definitely recommend doing that. Okay, now while I wait for that to dry before I do the highlights, I'm gonna put on my fake lashes and mascara. Actually, no, I'm not. I forgot I need to do the shadows. I'm just gonna sort of guess where they go. Okay, now I'm just dabbing the shadows a little bit just to make them a little bit more muted. Okay, so this is how we're looking. I'm gonna now add the highlights and then we'll just touch everything up. I also really need to clean my hand. So for this, I'm using a white liquid liner and a small brush. My cat has like attachment issues with me, so when I'm filming for a long period of time and she doesn't get to sit on my lap, she like runs around the house meowing at me and like bringing me toys and stuff. So I'm trying to get this done as fast as I can, but man, these highlights are difficult. I didn't expect this to be the hardest part, but I'm just using I was gonna say whiteout. What is wrong with me today? I'm just using the eyeliner straight out of the thing because this brush is really small, but this is really quite hard. Okay, now we're gonna touch up the eyeshadow just because I've kind of smudged it a little bit. Okay, so this is now how we're looking. Okay, now we're gonna do our lashes and then finally our lips. So for mascara, I'm using this one here. Okay, now for false lashes, I'm using these ones here. The packaging is kind of gross because I've already used them once before. Okay, now while they're drying, we're going to go on to lips. I'm going to do like a smudged black sort of lip. Because my lipstick is matte, it's not going to smudge as much, so I'm going to do the smudging with eyeshadow before I put my lipstick on. So I'm just dipping into black. Okay, now that that's smudged, we're going to add some black lipstick. So I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Alien. Ah, totally hurt my teeth. Okay, I'm gonna let my lipstick dry and then come back because I'm just getting it all over my teeth. And that's not the look we're going for. Okay, I'm back and with blonde hair. This is one of the wigs I got from Shein and I can't tell if I hate it or love it. I've never seen myself with blonde hair before and I'm not in a hurry to bleach my hair anytime soon, let me tell you. I was just bored of my hair and I just wanted something different for showcasing my makeup. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you love this look or hate it, but let's talk about the makeup for a minute. Again, I got lipstick on my teeth. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I feel so cool, very Halloween-y. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with it, honestly. It did take me a couple of hours, but it was actually very easy to do. And I just think this look is so cool. Yeah, I just love it. Even if you didn't do the lips, just having the eye is such like a statement piece. So yeah, I just love it. You could wear it with anything. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you tried this look, or if you've tried it in the past, tag me on Instagram. Make sure you're following me over there. And I will see you all next week with another video. Bye.
Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones.